Hey guys, Mikey here. Today we're going to talk about the Vivo prerequisites we're going to need before we set up Masternodes. Okay, so first of all, vivocoin.net. If you follow this link, this is where you can download your wallet from. Okay, so if we scroll down here a little bit, I'll put this link in the video description below, guys. Click on this releases link. Okay, this will take you to this page, and you can download the relevant wallet for you. So top one is Windows 64-bit. You know, the next one down is for Mac, so on and so on. Now, what you want to do, guys, is download and run that installer. Okay, once you download and run the installer for the first time, it's going to sync your wallet. It'll look something like this once it's done. Okay, once it's all up to date, it may take a few hours, anywhere up to a few hours to half a day or so to sync up. We want to make sure that it's all completely synced up before we try and set up our Masternodes. Okay, so that's step one, guys. Step two is you're going to need a program called Putty to log in to your VPS, to your virtual private servers, where you're setting up the Masternodes. So again, in the description below, guys, I'll put the video link, and these are your installer options. So 32-bit, 64-bit. Okay, download whichever one you want. You can come down here if you've got a special client and use these. Again, if you run the installer, run Putty. You can find it in Start. If you can't find it, same with Vivo. You can find Vivo Core, okay, or you can find Putty, okay, in your Start menu. The last thing we're going to need as a prerequisite, okay, is a subscription or an account at vulture.com. So again, I'll put the video link in the video description below, guys. This is where we're going to set up our virtual private servers, okay, and to do this, we're going to go through that in our next lot of videos. So guys, get these ready first, get the wallet, download it, let it sync, download Putty, install Putty, get prepared, set up a link, set up an account at Vulture, and I'll add this VPS link in the video below as well, because you'll need this for when we go to set up our Masternodes and set up the virtual private servers. So hope you guys enjoyed that video, and we'll catch up in the next one. We're going to set up a single Masternode, and then we're going to do multi-Masternode as well.